everybody, this is Sherri from Donnelly Ford. Today I have this beautiful 2021 F-150 for you to take a look at. As you can see, it's got good tires on it, extended mirrors to help you see around that load you're going to be pulling, tow hooks on the front, and of course we have a step up to make things just a little bit easier. Tow hitch is already on the back, and the drop-in bed liner is already in place waiting for you to use. Inside we have seating available for 6. Just over 32,000 miles on this. This is Sirius XM compatible, navigation compatible. You've got your 2- and 4-wheel drive on this, as well as your trailer braking right above it. All your hookups to charge your devices for your connectivity. Really nice dynamic camera so that you can see where you're backing up. This is a 4-wheel drive unit, 1 owner, no accidents, pretty clean. If you'd like to come in and test drive, give me a call, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. Come in and experience the Donnelly difference.